Okay guys, this is the most secret gonna tell you. This is the last Airbus A220 after Airbus A320 because I don't like to fly the white one because I don't know what's the name of this call sign. It's Qantas Link. Yeah, that's right. But the last one, well, I keep crashing every videos on it because well, if I crash that first one, I will fly. The last one, I will fly in Airbus A320 upgrade. So I better don't crash. Oh, crash it cause Airbus Airbus A320. So we better try it out. Engine turn on. Okay. Runway. So, okay, the banner, you see the flag were from Qantas, is this? Yeah, it's literally from Australia. Because I never went to Australia. Okay, so the last one we had to make a landing or emergency landing, but except water. One Qantas. Okay, so bro, I entered the news. Qantas 7845, you're clear to take off. Qantas 7845, we're clear to take off. And the local time is 10:40 a.m. Have a nice trip, fly to Australia. Qantas 7845. Thank you, Tower. Oh my god, guys, it's a little bumpy on the end there. Yeah, look at it, we're bumped by the rain. It's a little bumpy. But we're not gonna crash on it. Glad it stopped raining. Bro. That's oh yeah, guys. So fly. Okay, get it up. Autopilot. Okay. 30 minutes. No, 40 minutes. No, 50 minutes. No. Haha. That's what I thought. Wait a second. I want to fly over the military base. Focus shut down, bro. It's a long way turn. It says Qantas leave. Yeah, look at it, bumpy. 10 minutes of good at the right. Okay. What's the big deal? Okay, so foggy under. What's going on? I think we had to crash. We're up in! We're up in! What the heck is going on there? Oh no, bro. It's gonna crash. I knew it. It was gonna be a band. Qantas 845. We cannot control the aircraft. Mayday. Qantas 845. Qantas 845. What? What the hell are you doing? I don't know. Just literally, we cannot control the aircraft anymore. Well, after you said it was gonna be a beautiful flight to Australia. Now, if it's advanced, what seems to be like? I don't know. Did the pilot disengage? Direct the emergency. Did you check? It was stop advancing until we stopped the engine failure. Oh no! Guys, look how we are! We're upside down! Bruh! I'm going to return to Tokyo. Wait, Japan? Yes. Wait. 10 hours later. Okay, 10 hours later. Okay, 10 hours was horrible today. So we're at Tokyo. We're in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. We still advancing? No, bro. Engage. Restart the autopilot. Okay, autopilot. Autopilot restarted? Yes. Okay. Well, we just had Qantas 7845. Wait, what? I didn't mean Vietnamese tower. Oh, sorry about it. I had to speak Vietnamese because we're in Ho Chi City in Vietnam. Well, we do have to speak Vietnam. Open the landing gears, okay. They'll just reset it. Turn to normal. Okay. What's the big deal? We have to advance again. Oh yeah, that's right. Bang angle. Can you sit down, pilot? Mayday. Can you stop the advance mode? Oh my god, for the last time. Stop the advance mode. Okay. Qantas 7845 seem to be disappear. Maybe because I'm a co-pilot. No, it's because you're not in the cockpit sitting into a pilot. Oh yeah. Cruising at 41,000 feet. We had no choice, but it's only for 10 minutes. Remember it! Okay. Whoa. Okay, landing gear, the most gear. Okay. Qantas 7845. Qantas 7845. Since you're like too far away. Yeah, we're almost to Chin City. Okay. I'll tell you when you clear to land. Okay. Hey, co-pilot? Yeah. Can you say that for landing gear? Sure. Did you set for landing gear? Did you set for landing? Yeah, not please. Well, flight away 91, you seem to have a factual disease. A factual disease? What does that mean? I don't remember the factual disease. Tower. Well, you're just flying because you're gonna crash into Qantas. What the crap? Mayday, fly to 1988. Since we're having factual. Yeah, don't mind that. Whoa. Qantas 7845, you're clear to land. Runway 12 right. Qantas 7845, we're clear to land.
1,000, 500, 400, 300, minimum 200.
Minimum.
¿Quién tú hablas, Tommy?
Nadie.
¿Quién está hablando?
Yo estaba hablando.
100,
¿Eh?
Yo estaba hablando.
76, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, retard.
Factual, not non-disease. Ooh. Okay, so good. Okay. Wait, guys, this is it. And this 14 minutes,